Hi, Namaste everyone. Hope you all are doing good. So, after discussing polity important chapters in the previous video, now we will be discussing science and technology. So, let me tell you before itself, this is the most misunderstood subject by the aspirants group. Misunderstood in the sense like for arts people जो है वो ये subject पढ़ते ही नहीं arts and commerce वाले. And science people, those who take up science, are the one do not know the nature of the question. So for everyone, all the aspirants group, like 99% of the aspirants group are always in dilemma कि ये subject cover कैसे करना है. So this aspect will be looking here how to deal with the subject holistically, and we'll be looking how I have made sure to derive important themes from which question have been asked repeatedly. So अगर आपने ये chapters पढ़ लिए, अगर वो themes आपने recognize कर लिया, so you'll be easily able to cover this subject. So let's start. So as I told you, everyone is on the same boat here. But in order to score high, as I told, 99% of the people do not understand the subject. But 1% of the aspirants which are there, they do understand the subject because polity, geography, economic, ये जो subjects है normally, everyone will score good in that. But अगर आपको कट ऑफ से हाई पे जाना है, science and tech is the deciding factor. Let me tell you. Like because around 15-16 questions are asked, and this is the deciding factor whether you will be clearing prelims or not. So this your hard work and your smart work to recognize important chapters and to work on it and to score well and to stand ahead of others is the one which will take you forward. So coming to the weightage, in 2018 itself 19 questions 18 questions were asked. In 2021 13 questions were asked. In 2022 17 questions were asked. So can you know the importance of this subject? Many institutes do not cover this subject. Like in example, the confusion is that with respect to syllabus itself. Like in prelim syllabus, they have mentioned general science. So aspirants think, okay, if I read 6 to 10th ka state textbook or NCERT, that will be enough. But this is not the case. The question general science का तो hardly एक question आएगा, एक maximum two question, one question that I'm very sure. Like questions are from science and technology. So in the slide I named it science and technology and not general science according to the prelim syllabus which is mentioned. So an aspirant needs to be very clear with that, and this can be derived by analyzing the PYQs. So ये जो questions जो मैं बता रहा हूँ, so how are this question channelized? And let me tell you beforehand itself, in many of my previous videos also have told you like PT365 magazine जो है साइंस एंड टेक, इकोनॉमिक्स और एनवायरमेंट का बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू स्टडी एनी ऑफ देम एनी अदर सब्जेक्ट, यू मेक श्योर कवरिंग दिस 3 सब्जेक्ट्स. पॉलिटी का PT6 मैंने ही कवर किया है ये चैनल पे, यू कैन वॉच दैट. नो नीड, इफ यू डोंट हैव टाइम, यू लाइक जरूरत नहीं कि आपको पढ़ ले, बिकॉज आई हैव कवर्ड इट इन शॉर्ट एज पर एज द प्रीलिम्स डिमांड. So coming to science and technology back here, the nature of the question here is like application based question होंगे, conceptual questions होंगे, analytical questions भी होंगे. You have to keep in mind, and I'm telling you, do not miss this question if you have to like stand out. Like questions are like very easy, which you will read in daily newspapers, in InShots app, many other networking sites and all, like Web 3.3. Everyone has studied about it. Qubit previous questions में भी आया था, SAS के question आया था, वैक्सीन का question, probiotics का question, DNA question, short X-ray, biofuel, nanotechnology, open source, monocyte. ये जो questions मैंने series बताया, ये question 2022 के पेपर से मैंने उठाया. On this basis, I have divided important themes considering PYQs. So you make sure that you're completing this aspect, watching this video and making down the notes and study the subject accordingly. So these are the important chapters. Even in the polity I had covered with a similar flow. So first important topic from which questions have been asked more. This can be little bit here and there also. Science and technology in India. Now they are shifting to Indian aspect more, like what is ISRO doing, what are the advances which India is doing in science and technology fields. So जो आप हिंदू में आप साइंस का एडिटोरियल का पेज देखते हो, मेक श्योर इंडियन के इनोवेशन जो है इन ईच एंड एवरी फील्ड, IPR हो, कुछ भी हो, ऑल द एस्पेक्ट्स you have to make sure the science and technology developments from Indian concept has to be very clear. The advancement, not to go research अगर हो रहा है, need not to go into depth, but have a superficial knowledge of the subject, what it is, what are the limitations, what are the positives. So that will be enough for you to clear prelims here. Energy, very very important aspect here. Like the subtopics which are there can be sourced from the PYQs there. So energy in the sense nuclear energy, any additional protocol जो question that directly was from this space. Space technology is important chapter here. Like space में IRNNS का है, LISA part filter. ये जो questions है like these are not the ones which have like research and developed. This have been derived from the PYQs. So space technology के aspect है, ICT, India is like on a boom stage now. So this topic is very important. So you have to make sure like information communication जो important aspects हो रहे हैं, you have to be very clear with the basics there. What are the things which are there? PT60 magazine में इसमें से कौन से important aspect है? You have to be very clear there. You will be very clear there. Defense technology, a most important one which usually aspirants meet. Like we are making Atmanirbhar in defense. Like many episodes, in the one of the videos in Sunset TV, I had explained how topics are directly turning up in prelims and way. So many times they have discussed like Atmanirbhar in defense. So what are the things which we are doing? What are the things which we are manufacturing? So that aspect should be very clear. AI, robotics, nanotechnology. I cannot tell you the importance of this chapter. Like carbon nanotubes, CAS protein जो था, GM crops था, genetic engineering, most important topic, always in use. Biotechnology is very very important, which I have mentioned here. IPR regime, like there was one report that India is great in numbers applying for IPR codes. So like if that is the news, you have to make sure that you have to go in depth and cover that aspect here. Health and diseases, what people are doing, like okay, like जो humans के होते diseases, we are covering that like COVID-19 and etc like that. But questions are not asked from plants-based diseases, and I am expecting a question this year or next year from plants-based diseases also. So make sure उस पे भी आप एक बार like if you watch NCERT उसमें तो clear हो जाता है. So health aspect, what are the India is doing in that particular aspect? What are the initiatives taken? What needs to be done more? जो important aspects news में आते हैं, so you should be very clear with that. एग्जाम्पल अभी देखो एक वेब 3.3 आया था, वो आराम से हिंदू से कवर हो जा रहा था, बट पीपल आर नॉट वॉचिंग. क्यूबिट का क्वेश्चन एज आई टोल्ड यू, दैट वॉज डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम द PYQs है. बायोफिल्म का क्वेश्चन था, प्रोबायोटिक्स, विजन के डॉक्यूमेंट में, इंडियन एक्सप्रेस के डॉक्यूमेंट एक्सक्लूसिव कवर. वैक्सीन का जो क्वेश्चन था 2022 में, इट कैन बी इजिली सब कैटेगराइज इन दिस टॉपिक इटसेल्फ. वो एवरग्रीन टॉपिक था ऑलवेज. सोलर फ्लेयर, अगर BNT सेल्स के बारे में था, DNA बारकोडिंग का क्वेश्चन था. सो दिस टॉपिक, इसमें से ही क्वेश्चंस बीन आस्क्ड हियर. सो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन यू हाउ टू मेक यूज ऑफ दिस टॉपिक्स विच आई हैव मेंशन्ड हियर एंड मेक श्योर you are dealing with that in depth. Thank you so much for watching. I will be coming up with the next video very soon.